Meaning of denude.
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 Denude. The word denude means to strip something of its covering, possessions, or assets. The result of denuding can be complete exposure of the underlying material, leaving it vulnerable and unprotected. For example, denuding a forest can leave the soil bare and susceptible to erosion. Similarly, denuding a building can leave it without any furnishings or decorations. The act of denuding can also have negative consequences for ecosystems and communities if carried out without consideration for sustainability and the long-term effects on the environment.